Apple is finally bringing its iPhone payment service Apple Pay to Germany. Today's video will talk about Apple Pay in Germany. Most of the people are still using cash to pay their purchases. With Apple Pay, users can pay just by holding their iPhone or Apple Watch against the payment terminal. There is no cash anymore. These are bags that support Apple Pay in Germany, and new bags are coming next year. Next, I want to show you how to activate Apple Pay with a Deutsche Bank account. First, you should download the Deutsche Bank mobile app and log in with your own account. Click the Apple Pay notification in the Deutsche Bank mobile application. You can now order a Deutsche Bank card virtual for using Apple Pay. There is no annual fee required. Click Weiter, choose one card which is billed by using Apple Pay. Read and accept the term of use. Confirm the order with a Fototan or ITAN. Card is now available. After maximum 2 work days, you can activate Apple Pay in this app. In the activation process, you may encounter that your device does not support Apple Pay. Then you need to update your iOS to the newest version 12.1.1. You can use Apple Pay when you see these two symbols in the payment terminal. The second one, NFC, is supported by most of the supermarkets in Germany. Last, I want to use my own experience to talk about the advantage of using Apple Pay. People are used to use mobile phone to pay everything in China. So when I first came to Germany, I felt inconvenient to use cashes. It is also very difficult for me to distinguish different kinds of coins. And the coins are also hard to be spent. Then I saw people use bank cards in many places, like supermarkets. The situation became a little bit better since I did not need to get so many changes from cashiers. However, using bank cards still had problems. I had to give my password or sign my name. Sometimes the cashier also wanted to check my signature on the back of my bank card. As I did not have this at first, I even had to show my passport to them. Another problem was that I had to insert my bank card into the card reader in the right way. Otherwise, it could not be read. I used my bank card to pay for some time. Then I applied a new Visa card because the card had magnetic disc. I could use it contactless and the card reader instead of inserting the card into it. It was quite convenient. I did not need to consider the right way to insert my card. The only problem was that I had to give my password from time to time. Now we finally had the chance to use mobile phone to pay. I had no hesitation to use it. Now I just take out my phone and click the red button twice, use my Face ID for confirmation, put the phone near the contactless card reader. The whole process is about 3 seconds. I find it the easiest way and recommend it for all the people. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe or share with others. See you next time!